3 already. 4. 5. Tayo guys. 6. 6. 7. 8. 9 later. 9. Last one. 10. 11. 12. We're done! We finished the whole one, so next one is my price is this again. Okay. Next! Call the next one. Next! Oh, what do you do with this? This one, you need to pop it. Just what? See. 5 times. That's great. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! We did it 2 times. So I'm gonna keep this. This is actually fun. Even in the right hand. Good! Yay! That's the puppet's toys. I will keep this because this is my prize again. Sadly. Next one is this one. Let's just gonna do. So you need to cheat. So with 10 times. Now. Okay. 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will keep this two. Next one is this one. So we're gonna build something. We're gonna build something. What? I'm gonna do a cloud. Yay! I built a cloud. Next, I'm also gonna keep this because this is fun. What's that? Oh, this is my egg. This is my little egg, you guys. Thank you very much, Mommy, for this. No. This is look, Mommy. It even don't fit in this. Look. I have something that it will fit on. Wait lang, Mommy. Wait lang. Something fits in here. So, guys,